Hey! In front of me is Google Pixel 6a, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. Firstly, go into Settings and scroll all the way down. Now you need to select System, tap on Gestures and scroll down again. From here, click on one-handed mode. If you are using Turkish navigation, you need to scroll all the way down and click on this sweater next to one-handed mode shortcut. Then tap on Got It and tap on Home button. To access one-handed mode, choose this little shortcut over here, and as you can see now it's on. If you wish to go back into the standard size, you can swipe up or click on this gray area. If you want to use one-handed mode with gestures navigation, you need to... I just have to change mine real quick. You need to go back, tap on one-handed mode and click on this sweater if it's not already on instead. Then click on full screen into reach over here and follow all of those instructions. To use one-handed mode, swipe down from the bottom edge of the screen. When I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. If you wish to go back, you need to click on this area or swipe up. In order to disable one-handed mode completely, you need to click on one of those switchers. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!